Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to use ClickUp as a CRM so you can manage your leads, customers, and sales process in a simple and organized way. When you first open ClickUp, you'll see your workspace. ClickUp is mainly a project management tool, but it can also be turned into a powerful CRM by using lists, folders, and custom fields. Everything starts with creating a space dedicated to your CRM system. First, create a new space called CRM. Inside this space, you can create folders like leads, clients, and deals. Each folder can contain lists that represent different stages of your sales pipeline. Now let's start with leads. Inside your leads list, you can add tasks, but in CRM terms, each task represents a lead. You can name the lead, add contact details, and use custom fields like email, phone number, company, and status. ClickUp allows you to fully customize your workflow. You can add custom statuses such as new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and won or lost. This helps you track exactly where each lead is in your sales process. Next is managing deals. You can create a separate list for deals and move each lead into it once they are qualified. Inside deals, you can track deal value, priority, expected close date, and assigned sales rep. One of ClickUp's strongest features is views. You can switch between list view, board view, and calendar view. Board view is especially useful for CRM because it works like a Kanban pipeline where you can drag and drop deals between stages. Now let's talk about tasks and follow-ups. In ClickUp CRM, every lead or deal can have subtasks. You can add follow-up calls, meetings, emails, or reminders so you never miss important actions. ClickUp also supports automation. You can create rules like when a lead status changes to qualified, automatically assign it to a salesperson or move it to another list. This reduces manual work and keeps everything organized. Another useful feature is communication tracking. You can attach emails, notes, and files directly inside each lead or deal. This ensures all information is stored in one place, making collaboration easier for teams. ClickUp also has dashboards where you can visualize your CRM data. You can track how many leads you have, conversion rates, and team performance using charts and widgets. Integrations are also available. ClickUp connects with tools like Gmail, Slack, Zoom, and many others, allowing you to centralize your workflow without switching apps. You can also set permissions so different team members only access what they need. This is helpful for larger teams where roles are divided between sales, marketing, and support. Finally, ClickUp is cloud-based, so you can access your CRM from anywhere using desktop or mobile. This makes it flexible for remote teams and growing businesses. So, using ClickUp as a CRM is all about organizing your space, customizing workflows, tracking leads, and using automation to simplify your sales process. With the right setup, it becomes a powerful and flexible CRM system for any business. Subscribe the channel for more videos.